In the previous two tutorials, we used full pattern summation and automated full pattern summation to produce fits and save those as our data files. So if you wanted to save them just for visualization at a later date, you can then, or if you have done that in fact, you can then use the results viewer tab just to have a look at the results and inspect the fit. So if we look at the FPS output that was saved earlier, you just have to load the R data file from it. And depending on the size of the file, might take a little while to load the tabulation and the plot that this tab provides. So here we see the 38, a table containing 38 reference patterns that were quantified. It's quite a large number because we just used non-negatively squares here to quantify things, which isn't the most accurate way of selecting. Well, it's a way of reducing the library down, certainly, from the 170 patterns to the 38 here. So we can flick through those and also sort the table by various columns. And then if we continue scrolling down, you can see an interactive plot again of the fit. Same as all the other plots, you can double click on things to isolate them, double click again to turn everything back on. So you can use this to identify whether you think your fit is appropriate, or if you want to go back and redo things. So it's just a relatively simple way of quickly plotting your data. And you'll see on the right here, you can tabulate things. Either you can tabulate all the phases, or if you choose the grouped phases option, it will retabulate things. So we've gone from 38 down to 33 entries now, because things like plagioclase have a couple of, and smectites have a couple of pure patterns contributing to them. And that's a nice property of grouping the data together. It can act to simplify things a lot sometimes. So that's just a way of visualizing the data. The final tutorial will look at the results editor tab, which allows you to actually alter the results, which can be very useful indeed if you've done either full pattern summation manually or in the automated way.